He wants to become horny. Coming in here.
Never. Ever. No.
Also find different sizes. There's a medium, large XL for the bigger, and double XL for more bigger scooters. So just check it out. What is that?
Yeah.
What you think? Let's go to the truck. Oh, let's go to the truck. Yeah, you ready?
Go ahead and grab a picture of them.
He wants to become horny.
Here.
Magkuha sa mi sa drone guys ha.
I know.
Kaya aron makapalupad og drone dito.
No, but let's take it up. Let's take it up.
So gikan mi dito Galakaw diha sa sulod. Then dito mi ni exit. Then karon is paingon magkuha drone. Okay. Save it on? It's okay na.
Let's go over by where those people are.
Yeah, alright.
Ito sulod.
So magbalon tag tubig nga magpalupad og drone. So tuan na siya dito. Awa, galakaw na si Master. Si Master Cordapio. Galakaw na siya kay magpalupad na siya. Excited na siya magpalupad sa iyang drone, kinakusgang drone niya guys. So tanaw na to ug unsa iyang effect sa kinakusgang drone. Iyong kog Lord na amandaay na ikuan. Lubak. So mga ito na ta. Ano forma? Yes, it's normal. There's a cow, Tom. You stay away. Hoy, Tom. You stay away, Tom, because it will going to kuan yo. Sungay-sungay yo. You stay away dyan, Tom, because it will really going to do like that to your kuan. To your kanang ting. It will sungay-sungay. Mag-istorya ka te, magtabi-tabi ka da. Imong i-appeal ang camera. Sa una lang. Magpalukpad, may plano. Dagan kay bingka diri ha. Amo na mga bingka. Oh, di ba? Run. That's lucky ra ba day na oy. Tam, you really have to be a vlogger, Tam, because you're bringing your ornaments very big. Ay, naku. Ikaw na po dito. You wipe out that one because there's a lot of dust in the camera tab. Kita dyan.
See it happening to them, so it stops. Now we're going to see the pullback shot.
Camera around it. Sel. Kan kay Marcelo. Mao. Let's go and have fun. Ngayon sa kong bulak ya.
Hindi kay no? Hindi kay bulag ka puro sinunana.
So this one, guys, is what I'm gonna use. Clean champ for cleaning the scooter. The cloth of this one. So it cost only 89 pesos in the unit top. So that's the price. So yeah, our parcel just arrived and it's the scooter cover, Honda Beat scooter cover. That's why he told me that I have to clean this up first before putting the scooter cover. So here I am. So my partner is also having work. He's working on our kind of restroom, the bowl, the toilet bowl, because the cover or the lid or the cap of the flush button is broken. So he just decided to buy a new one, and we got it yesterday, and now he's working on it. Now I'm just letting it set for a while, and I am going to wash this one, spray it with water and using the hose. And then, by the way, that I'm using the kind of a wax for the car cleaning. It's kind of wax that is being in the gallon, and that's what I've used here as well. So that's the kind of wax that I'm using to wash the scooter. From school, going home to their specific houses up the mountains. This kind of papaya fruit to the kind of the chicken soup. Look. This kind of fruit as well is called female fruit, because a female fruit of papaya also produces, or plant also produces, fruits. And then this morning I also cut two of those grown-ups that only produce flowers. It's because they don't produce or give fruits, only they give flowers, because it's a male type of a papaya plant. So that is the place where the roots is being located to those male type of papayas, male variety, and this one here as well. By the way, my partner took it out by himself because it's really hard to take it off from the soil since it has produced a lot of roots already. And then here, this is a sponge gourd. Look at that. Wow. You seen this, guys? There's a lot in here in this place. This is a baby snail. Look. It's not very ripe. Those are the seeds of the bitter gourd. One. And then this one here. We'll take this off, guys, because I am going to replant this one. I'm going to put this one to the area where I can grow this one somewhere. But first I have to... Well, it doesn't have a worms inside though. And this one here as well is a small sponge gourd. This one here, guys, is very known here in Philippines as well. This is a malunggay plant or tree, and this leaves has a lot of health benefits, which is very good. And according to what I've heard before, when we had a store, or when we were running the store before, this kind of vegetable also is good at any kind or any source of food. And if according to that people I heard and on the radio, that if you have this one being planted in your home, it seems that you are having a pharmacy into your backyard, because this has a lot of health benefits, guys. This is a moringa plant, which is really very known here in the Philippines. That one. And there. It's just being planted there. So yeah, my sister always took out the branches like that, including it for our vegetable soup. So that's why now it's going to be gone almost. Look at the difference, guys. If you are going to use this one as your wipe out for those water, look. Oh, diba? And here it is. It's all dried up. This kind of Honda Beat scooter cover sizes are large, okay? So this is size large, and also this is a waterproof kind of cover, and I bought this one to the Shopee. So there you can also find different sizes. There's a medium, large XL for the bigger, and double XL for more bigger scooters. So just check it out on the Shopee, and yes, you can find a lot of scooter covers on the Shopee. It's waterproof, guys, and it's really nice. So yes, look at that. Now it's beautiful.